Good day, everyone. I'm the Panda Photographer, and we have good news to share. So, do you guys remember the power bank manufacturer that was sending those power banks from INIU? If I'm pronouncing it correctly, INIU? Well, guess what? Kathleen just contacted me once more and wants to collab again because she thought that the first videos that I did about the power banks were absolutely amazing, as you can read from the email. So she's inviting me. Mind you, I seen this on my laptop earlier, but I'm on my mobile, recording this to give you guys a little bit of sense of how slowly my foundation as a photographer, as a filmmaker in this city of New York, is slowly progressing very slowly with these brands. So I appreciate INIU for literally reaching out again for me to even test and play and review new and upcoming or current products. But with that said, everyone, I just want to share this in transparency that I'm not going to give up. It's going to be a slow process. It always has been. And I think the slow process is the better process. So with that said, everyone, thank you, Kathleen, for reaching out from INIU Tech. So yes, INIU Tech wants to send me more products to review. So what does that go to show you, everyone? No matter how many haters dislike your videos or disagree what you're trying to do for yourself, and mind you, you have the expertise, they don't. So with that said, everyone, it's great to see brands continue to reach out and see that my videos are making a difference, and they want to still be, they still want to collab. And this is what a collab is supposed to be. Someone reaching out, they acknowledge my work. They're also going to send me the product with nothing exchanged. They just want an honest review and an honest video. They don't care what social media platform you put it on, but they would like to see it on YouTube. So with that said, but for me, I post all of the same video. If you guys look at my content carefully, I post on the same video on LinkedIn, Patreon, Facebook, YouTube, and I tag it on Twitter, but I also upload it to Instagram. Yes, I uploaded lately I've been uploading most of the videos on Instagram. But I just want you guys to see that they want to collab once more, and this is a good sign. So she is the operating manager from INIU. So yeah, this is who I'm talking to as my rep. So if you guys really like this step forward on this channel, give me a thumbs like. With that said, everyone, please do subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you guys in the next one. But with that said, eat, sleep, photography, INIU, and repeat. See ya.